Good day and welcome to Bite Size. Don't live with a lack mentality. So many times as leaders, we fall into the trap to focus on the stuff that we think we don't have, instead of focusing on that stuff, those resources, people, support we do have. Don't live with a lack mentality. Look at the solution. Find the solution. So many times we are so focused on the problem, but that doesn't help us. Focus on the solution and know you've got the resources to solve the problem, to solve the challenge, to overcome whatever comes your way. Don't lead with a lack mentality. May you be the best leader you can be. Cheers.